Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off controller vibration on the PowerWash Simulator game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the PowerWash Simulator game on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, if you wish to turn off vibrations within your joystick, just click on the Options button at the bottom left corner. You can also click on Menu at the top left and then click on Options. Now, once you are inside the Options page, make sure that you are within the General tab. And now if you scroll down, you will see the controller settings. Here you can find the controller vibration toggle. This is turned on by default, so simply tap on the checkbox to remove it. And now the vibration will be turned off within your joystick. If you wish to turn it back on once again, you can come back to this page at any time and simply tap on the checkbox to tick it. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off vibration in your joystick on the PowerWash Simulator game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.